Namaste, I am Vaishali Siddharam Shakapure from GFGC Muddebihar. Now, session number 6 is there. In that session, I will going to continue the topic called as GUI components like text areas, combo boxes, list, and scroll bars. GUI components in Java. Earlier, I have explained 5 different components. Here in session number 5, I have explained the button, radio button, checkboxes, labels. Okay, now I am going to explain the text area, combo boxes, list, and scroll bars. Here, introduction to advanced GUI components. Java provides the additional swing component for uh, for rich interfaces. These components handle multi-line text input, selection from drop-down list, scrolling components, commonly used in the form and data-driven UIs. JText area. Here allows the multi-line text input-output, can be added to scroll pane for scrolling. Common methods are getText, setText, and append. Here example text area TA is equal to new text area 5 and 20. Next J scroll pen SP is equal to new J scroll pen. For text area we need to add the multi-line text. So I have created here the how many lines I will going to here five different lines are there, and for each line I have given the limit is 20 characters are there. Okay, scroll pane is nothing but what when this text area is beyond the visibility, then there should be a scroll bar should appear to that particular text area. For that I have used the scroll pane. Here is the example for the text area. Here I have taken one frame. In that particular frame, I have taken the J label called as enter your message. Okay. Or to show that why I have created the text field, I have given the label. Okay. Here I have set the bounded to that particular label. Next text area, new text area. Here I have created, I have set the bound for it as well. Okay. I have created the button as well to submit that particular message which entered in that particular text area. Okay, here I have taken the action when text area is filled. Whatever text I have written in that particular text area, that should be appear in a dialog box. Okay, here is the example. I have added the GFGC MBL in that particular text area, and when I click on the submit, this dialog box will going to appear and shows the message GFGC MBL which I have entered in the text area. Next is J combo box components is there. Here drop down menu for selecting one item for this from a list. When I want to select the one particular item from the given list, then I must have to uh, use the J combo box. Can be editable or non-editable. Okay. Here common method for this particular combo box is add items to that particular item, get selected item. Because I have to select from that list, I have to select one particular item. For that I need the get selected item. Set selected item object. Okay, selected item I should have to put in a different list. For that I need this one. Okay, here is the example. Here G combo box class is there. For that I have to create the object. Next CB dot. Here I want to add the items in that particular combo box. So I have used the add item. Here is the object of the J combo box CB add item. For that I need to add the items here Java Python. There are two different items I have added in that particular uh, combo box. Here is the example. I have created here whatever I have explained over there. Here J combo box is there. Combo box called object is there. Here and I will going to add the countries in that. Okay. Here I have to add the countries in that. Here, string countries. I have taken the array to add that countries. India, USA, UK, and Canada. Australia. I have added five different countries in that particular combo box. For that, to add those array list, I have to use this kind of syntax over here. Okay. And created the one button to show that to show what which country I have selected from that drop down list. Nothing but combo box. Okay. Here uh, label is there, select user country, and here is the drop down is there. Here I have added the five different countries. Here I have selected the India. Okay, and when I press on show button, it will going to appear the dialog box. There it shows the message called as the India. Next is JList. Okay, JList is the one component. Here I can select the multiple uh, items from the given list. For that, I need the list. That is the major difference between the combo box and this list. Which will the list of items, single or multiple selection, I can do in this. Scrollable by default if inside scroll pane. Next, common methods are get selected values, uh, next set list data or object. String, I have created here one string array. There I have added the three components. In the list, I have added those list in that array list to as a parameter to that list class. Next, scroll pane is there. When list is beyond the visibility, then scroll bar should appear. That's why I have created the scroll pane over here. Okay, here I have created the list for the string list for the subject math, science, English, history, and computer, and a list for to give this string. We have to use this syntax that is triangular bracket should be there, and next when single selection should be there, then it should appear. When multiple selection is there, it should appear. For that, I have used that method, set selection method, and set visible row count. Okay. Next, scroll pane for give the scroll bar to that particular list. Here is the list. I have selected only one subject, like the science, and the selection has shown over here. Next is Next is scroll bar. Okay, scroll bar is nothing but when I scroll, then message is bigger than this window size, then I need the scroll bar. When I scroll down, then above message will appear. If I don't scroll, it will not going to appear here. Horizontal and vertical, both the scroll bars I can show. We can show over here. Okay, here it provides the scroll control used for large content areas, can be vertical or horizontal both. Okay, common methods are get value and set value. Okay, scroll bar, how to create this scroll bar? Take the scroll bar class, sb is equal to new scroll bar, and if I want vertical scroll bar, then I have to mention here the vertical. If I want horizontal, then I have to mention over here. Okay, here is the frame is there. Next, I have given the label scroll value like 0. I have created the horizontal scroll bar on volume. We have the scroll bar, no? That kind of scroll bar I have created through this program. And action listener is there. When I stop scrolling, wherever I stop that scrolling, that value should be appear on the appear as the message. Here, that horizontal scroll bar should start from 0 and should be by default should be present over the 10, and maximum should be 100. Similar like volume scroll bar is there. Here, I have created the scroll bar. Here, minimum should be 0, maximum is 100, and by default it will be on a 10th place. If I move over here, then according to that, values will going to appear on this appear here. Okay, summary. In this particular session, we have seen the components called as text area. Text area we use for multi-line input. J combo box we use for a drop down menu. J list we use for scrollable item list, multiple selection. Here J scroll bar we need the scrolling the content control, horizontal or vertical control is there. These components enhance the user interaction and layout control. Okay. Thank you.